Hello everyone, my name is Darren. I'm with OrlandoParkSky.com. Recently I had a chance to visit Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Orlando Resort. Now, my family and I are not big fans of being scared or gory things, but we also wanted to check it out because you can't live in Orlando and not go to Halloween Horror Nights. It's a major event here and it attracts thousands of people every year. So what we decided to do was kind of keep it simple and just enjoy the atmosphere and the scare zones. We skipped the haunted houses. I know that's a major draw for most people, but it's way too scary for us. But if you're like us and you don't want to do the haunted houses, but you still want to check it out, here's a little tour of what you can do and what you could expect in the scare zones and in the park in general during Halloween Horror Nights. Scare zones at Halloween Horror Nights are designated areas within the park that you walk through. While you're walking through, you'll encounter scare actors who might turn fast and jump out at you, or they might do nothing at all. There's also elaborate displays and music that you hear as you walk through them. It takes about a minute or less to walk through each scare zone, and they're not terribly scary and just almost sort of predictable as to what might happen. Overall, they're very cool, and most people can probably handle it. It's not too scary. One of the other things you can do in the park is visit the Midway. They have carnival-style games. There's also food booths with specialty food items that aren't available at any other time of the year. Also adult beverages. So you can really just enjoy the park and hang out and have fun in the atmosphere. And if you want to go through the scare zones again one more time, certainly free to do that. If you find that the scare zones are still a little too much for you, you can bypass the scare zone. Usually just take the sidewalk and the scare actors will not interact with you.
In the shadows, I have taken root and will now accept your praise. I am the Pumpkin Lord!
Thanks for joining me on this not so scary, oops, can I say that? Tour of Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Orlando. You can find more of me at OrlandoParkSky.com, and I'm also on Facebook and Instagram.